Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to check your battery status in your Galaxy M15. Simply it is in the corner, but there is much more settings when you go to your phone and search for device care here. And there is a battery. So I left 3 days, but I don't use my phone for now. You can set up the battery saving here. You can background usage limits here if you wish. You can use the battery protection for your phone. You can check the battery usage by your application. You can set up the charging settings, show the product and battery info. You will see the same. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!